Today we shall see customer service ticket app. It is a solution which has been developed in Power Pages with Power Pages and also Dynamic 365 model-driven app. So today we shall see both apps. So we first we start with the Power Pages application, where we see a menu, very simple menu. The client wants to create a ticket with the company, just has got to sign in. Okay, only authenticated users can create new cases, new tickets. He gives his username, his password. Okay, and he signs in. So you will see that the help menu will appear. Right, you've got contact us and help. Let's go to help to create a case, a ticket. Good. So the client, the customer, can create a new case. Goes to create. As an example, we can say that he needs a sales quotation. Sales quotation. For example, he can assign the sales quotation to the sales team. You see that we have created two teams in the Dataverse, accounts and sales. He selects sales. Hi. Following your last presentation, can you please send us a quotation? Regards. Okay. Customer. Right? So he has written his case. Okay, and he submits its case. Okay, when the case is submitted, of course, the customer can come back anytime into the portal and view his case, knowing that the case has got several status. So when it's new, it's well new. When it is in progress, well, you can see all the cases in progress, those which are resolved, for example. He can review the case with all the messages attached to the case. For example, if he wants to create a new message, he can write a new message, a reminder, for example. He still hasn't received the sales quotation. Please send me the sales quotation as agreed. Okay, and he sends the message. Of course, several messages can be attached to a case. Okay, and the case and the new message are entered in the system. Right. Now, in the service company. In the service company, you've got a model-driven app. So technicians, or salesmen, can directly see all the cases which are opened, which have been created by their customer. And you see that there is a case number 13, which is new as a status reason. So here we can open this case. Okay, the employee of the company opens the case. He can read the description of the case. Please send us a quotation. Okay. So here, let's say that it is now in progress because the technician, the salesman of the company will send the case. You can see directly that two emails have been sent. An email has been sent to the contact confirming receipt of the sales query. And an email has been sent to the contact to inform that the case owner has changed because it has been assigned to the sales team. So the case owner now can review the messages. Okay, you can open the messages, for example, and see exactly that there is already a reminder. He can directly write a new message that the customer will be able to see directly in the portal, in the application written in Power Pages. Sales quotation has been sent. Okay. Sales quotation has been printed and sent by mail. For example, sales and close. Right. Good. So now you see that the case is in progress and that the customer has been informed directly on the portal that the sales quotation has been sent. He can also directly assign the case to him. Okay, so he assigns to him, or he can assign to another team or another user. Right, and if we come back to the general and we refresh, save, we refresh, you see that another note, another update notification has appeared in the timeline, and that an email has been sent to the contact to inform him that the case owner has changed. Good. So of course we can review the emails. You see that the emails are sent to. You see? So the case confirmation email. This email serves to confirm that we have received your case for the sales query. It gives a reference of the case, and after you've got the updates informing that the case has been assigned to a user. Okay, right? So now let's come back to the Power Pages app. We refresh. Okay. So here, where is my case? Don't see my case. It's normal that I don't see it because it's not new anymore. If you remember, we have changed the status to in progress. So the customer can see directly the cases which are in progress. So he sees that his demand is in progress. He can directly review the case and see the messages. You can see directly that the sales quotation has been sent. Okay. He can add a new message. Quotation received, for example. Quotation has been received. Thank you. And he enters his new message in the system. Right? As it is still a two-way communication in the backend, in the back office application, which is a model-driven app. Okay. It's here, back office. We refresh. Okay. And here, if we go to the messages, you see that the employee of the company is informed directly. He receives a message from the customer through the portal that the quotation has been received. Then, as the work has been done, he can directly say that the case has been resolved and save. Right. So now, users of the system can also see how cases progress in the system with different status, when new, in progress, awaiting feedback, or result. And you see that our sales quotation has got the status result. You can also filter by period. So it was for this week, but you can have all the cases for the month, for example. You see that it's got 3 in this month, which are still not in progress. You can have also a visual filter, where you see the cases which are resolved, and those which are still new, directly in a pie chart. Good. It is the end of the presentation of this small app, which demonstrates some features of Power Pages. But we can see a little bit how it has been developed very fast. Here you have an application which is admin, an app. All this app has been developed and is included into this solution, customer service project. It's a small model-driven app solution. Here you see you have 3 tables, custom case table, with all the forms. It's directly in the model-driven app that we create the different forms and the different views which appear in the portal. And you've got also the information form, the main form, which appears directly in the model-driven app. It is the same for the contacts and the message, where you have specialized forms for the web, message web create, message quick create form, and the information form for the model-driven app. And you have some cloud flows which have been executed. These cloud flows create the different emails, send the different emails, and adds the different notifications that you have seen. So this one, for example, if we take this one, let's open it. Let's edit it. And you see that when a case is added, we run a child flow, which sends the email. And if the email is successfully sent, then we add a new note directly in the timeline. We've got the child flow emails, sent email, the flow which send a notification for case resolution, and the flow which send an update notification when the team or the user, in fact, when the case owner is changed. That's all for the model-driven app, very simple as we have seen. And in the Power Pages Studio, if we open it, takes a little bit of time. Okay, you see that the help page has been designed directly in the Power Pages Studio. Okay, and you can also, which is very, very good, edit the code and really tailor the code with some HTML, CSS, JavaScript code. It's okay for today. It's finished. Next time we shall see another app developed with Power Pages. We plan to build a credit control application, something like this, a little bit more sophisticated, with more features, more pages. Thank you. Thank you for attending, listening to this presentation, and stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.